Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading from the Spirits of Nature. So as I was shuffling your cards to basically save time for you, I keep on getting this message: trust the universe. When we trust the universe, know that we need to surrender. This deck, when it comes to things like persistence, always being persistent in what you want, what you believe in. Also know that when it comes to breakthroughs normally come after persistence and when we feel that we cannot take it anymore. Um, the main key here today is understanding the message of going within, looking for the answers within and not without. Thank you, guys.